So here we are in the first set of the all-French Auckland ATP final on the 18th of January 2020 between Paire and Humbert. Now Paire had been delivering for us throughout this tournament by providing lots of trading profits, as he often does, and so I was keen to see another strong performance from him in this one, and ideally plenty of trading opportunities. Now I traded Paire in every one of his rounds, and to date he is the most profitable trading player for us at Platinum Traders. Now it's nice pricing for either player to win the first set, with Paire priced at 2.10 and Humbert at 1.72. But with Humbert being the favourite, I was looking for him to take the first set in order for us to get a nice low landing price so that we could lay him in the second set to see a potentially nice swing. Now both players have strong service hold stats and are coming into this final in similar form. Now as you can see, Humbert held to take the first game of the first set. Paire then got broken early on with his first service game, with Humbert confirming the break to take it to 3-0. We then saw an up in tempo from Paire with some good holds and breaks to take the first set into a tie break. However, Humbert then went on to take the first set in that tie break. Now if we take a look at the first set stats, we can see how consistent both players were with their serving, with Paire having 4 aces compared to Humbert's 1 ace. But it was nice to see no double faults. Now in terms of first serve points won, Humbert trumps Paire with 70% compared to 58%, but no dramatic differences here. Now as always, Paire showed strong resilience and a good performance. Therefore, this confirmed my pre-match strategy, which was to back him in the second set and look for a potential swing, which is something that Paire often does. Now this resilience was further confirmed by Paire's stats of 71% of break points saved. This is a really good stat, and it obviously sets us up well for a second set trade on Paire. So with Paire serving first, I backed him for 1 point and laid 1 point on Humbert. Now when Paire held, I closed off the lay side and half of the backside, leaving a half point in the market. It was then down to Humbert to serve next, and he held. It was a bit of a tougher game, which did go to deuce, but in the end Humbert did serve out to hold. When he held, I simply left the trade open, ready to re-enter some trades when Paire was serving for the second time. So before Paire served for the second time, I once again backed him for 1 point and laid Humbert again for that 1 point. When Paire held, I closed off the lay side and half of the back trade. Now this left another half point in the market, so we had 1 point left in the market to run on a possible swing. We then got the break and saw a nice swing here with Paire breaking Humbert's serve. Now I was happy to leave that 1 point in the market to ride out the swing. Now with Paire serving next, and with the break, I decided to back another 1 point on Paire, and the plan would be to leave this in if he could confirm the break, which of course is what he did here, taking the score in the second set to 4-1 to Paire. Now Humbert then held his next service game, which was not a problem. I was still happy to leave the trades on, as of course we still had the break buffer. And with Paire serving next at 4-2, the majority of the swing had already taken place, so there was no value in backing any more on Paire. So I was simply happy to watch the points just rack up a little bit more profit. And then it was pretty much plain sailing from here with some great tennis from Paire, who fought hard to take the second set. So a nice clean 3.5 points profit in this one, and an entertaining match to watch as well. Now if you're not familiar with what I'm referring to in terms of points, etc., then please do take my free introduction to tennis trading course, which you can enroll on at protennistrader.com. And this will provide you with some great insights into how it all works. You can also check out my other courses on there too. And if you fancy joining us at Platinum Tennis Traders, then all of the info is on the site as well. The links are in the description. So until the next time, stay safe.